What up, guys? We got Wild Whiskey's Wolf's bike in, and we just got ourselves some Woodcraft Rearsets. Really cool, really easy, and probably the absolute best rear sets you can buy. Everything's modular, so a lot of these parts are interchangeable from everything. You have your rear set peg, which is adjustable, quarter inch. 360 pattern. It's got little pins, and you can adjust it like up, all the way forward, down, all the way down, vice versa. Same thing with the front. So you have full adjustability of your toe piece, your peg, and really cool design. One thing that I do suggest is when you put these bolts in, you use blue Loctite, and you want to use a good Allen key to tighten your bolts. I suggest tightening pretty much everything that's in this group with blue Loctite. So yeah, it's a really cool design. You have 1/4 inch adjustment here, and you have 1/4 inch adjustment up and down here. This is a street bike, so we want this thing to be comfortable, so we have the rear sets all the way down.
So here you guys go. Give you a little 360 walk around so you can see the other rear set as well.
Yeah, the right side was pretty much the same thing. We did have to add a bracket for the new brake reservoir, because on the Gen 5 the brake reservoir would mount to a little bracket on the frame. Now we're actually mounting the new bracket straight to where the reservoir mounts. And again, blue Loctite, really simple. This is probably about a 1 hour total job.
So here you guys go. If you guys are interested in purchasing these for your bike, I'll put the link to Fast Buy Few down below, so you guys can hook your bike up with these beautiful Woodcraft rear sets. These things just look absolutely amazing, and they feel great. So I'm excited to try them out some more.